Hello creeps, freaks and makeup geeks, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a pumpkin inspired sort of glam look, so nice orange eyeshadow and sort of dramatic liner, black lips, that kind of thing. So pretty simple introduction and not much else to say. If you like this video, be sure to click like, subscribe if you haven't already. I post tutorials on glam and gore, I do makeup challenges, prosthetic videos, stuff like that. So yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into the look. So as always, I have laid down a base with my Revolution Conceal and Define, and I will of course be using my Marvellous Mattes palette. If you've been here, if you've watched any of my videos, you will know that I use it all the time because it is obviously a rainbow palette and I just love it to pieces. It works for so many things. You'll also notice that I've put a piece of tape along my eye. That's because I want to create a really nice like sharp edge. So yeah, that just helps with that. There is only one orange shade in this palette, however, it'll do. It's got yellows and stuff that I can blend. So first of all, I am just going to take this orange and pack it all over the lid. I'm doing my eyes one at a time, like it didn't really make sense to do them both on camera, because that just takes even longer than necessary. So now that I have packed that colour onto the lid and also created a little bit of a wing, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and sort of just blend it out a little bit. There are also two yellow shades in this palette, so I'm going to take the slightly dark yellow and blend that along the top of the orange towards my brow bone. So now that these two colours are blended, I'm going to darken up this outer corner and sort of wing just a little bit with a little bit of red, just a tiny bit to add more depth into the look. I am also going to take just a tiny bit of the lighter yellow into my inner corner. Now to add just the tiniest bit of a shimmer, I'm going to take my Deep Dive palette and use the most randomly placed gold, just a tiny bit in my inner corner. I want this to be a relatively matte look, but I just can't avoid shimmers. It's more of a pressed glitter, but like every time I do a look, I'm like, matte, it's going to be matte, and then I just have to put a glitter in. Cameras never do justice to the shimmer in these looks, but oh well. So now I'm going to go in and do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm not great at this, so I might have to go do it off camera. I said dramatic eyeliner, but I'm intending to do like a little wing. But if you've watched my radiation burn video, when I try to do just a really subtle eyeliner, I end up with it everywhere. So I'm going to go apply this off camera and then we'll see how it turns out. For this, I'm using my Colour Couture Duo Eye Crayon, using the black end. It's just a simple black pencil. I have tried to do winged liner with liquid liner hundreds of times and it always just smudges and looks terrible. I think I have slightly hooded eyes as well, so it's kind of hard to get the positioning right. So I'm going to go apply this off camera and then I'll be right back. So it hasn't turned out perfectly. It's a little bit droopy where I think I had my tape just a smidge too low. But you know what, for someone that's shit at eyeliner, that's not half bad. So I also took the darker shade of yellow and blended that under my lower lash line and applied some Collection Extreme Colour Lengthening Mascara in black. It's not really very lengthening to be honest, but you know what, it'll do. So I'm very quickly going to go replicate this on the other eye and then we're going to apply some lipstick. You know, it's a shame, I feel like the camera really doesn't do justice to things like eyeshadow, because like the glitter is so pretty and it's beautiful. But anyways, just going to stop blowing my own trumpet there. So I'm now going to be applying some liquid lipstick. I'm going to give a forewarning, I do not suit lipstick of any kind, especially not a dark colour, but oh well, I'm going to try. I'm really bad at applying it too, like I look better with like a natural lip, but hey ho, I wanted to do something really pumpkin themed. So I'm going to be using this Revolution liquid lipstick. It's one of the Halloween edition ones, like it's got spoopy stuff on it, it's really cute, and it's called Nightmare. It's just a black liquid lip. So now I spend half an hour crying and reapplying it over and over again until I think it looks good. It smells so good, I can't get over the smell. I don't even know what it smells like, it's just nice. And an unfortunate amount of time later, and I'd say this look is pretty much complete. The lips do still look a little bit uneven. I honestly think that they naturally are uneven and that my face is a bit wonky because I follow my natural lip line, but they still don't quite look right. Same as with my eyes actually, even though you can't really tell on camera. My eyeshadow always seems to go higher on one eye than on the other, no matter how much I blend them, and I think one eye must droop like a millimetre lower than the other or something, because my entire face, every time I do makeup, always looks kind of off, no matter what I do. So either I'm really shit at makeup, or my face is like skewed. But anyway, despite the fact that I don't actually like lipstick and I wouldn't normally wear it, I'm actually quite enjoying looking like a pumpkin. So if you guys like this look too, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe, leave any questions, comments, concerns, any future video suggestions in the comments below. I am still looking for a Halloween collaboration, so if you're interested in that, DM me on my Instagram. The link is in my description box, and yeah, ciao.